How to simulate slow internet connection. I currently deploy with Google App Engine, and I try to implement some AJAX validation. So I got a couple text fields and spinners, AJAX loaders, which should be displayed when an AJAX request is sent. But I deploy on my local computer, localhost, so the SDK reacts very fast on any request. It takes about 50 to 70 milliseconds to perform the whole AJAX request, which is far away from the real. Is there a way to somehow simulate slow internet connection? I just want to see how my spinners work. I want to test some AJAX setting, query, about timeouts, errors and so on. Any ideas?
Using Linux, you have a software called Trickle that launches a process and limits its bandwidth usage.
You can use a slow internet connection from a mobile phone, for example, GPRS. You must have a mobile phone that becomes a modem when connected to the PC and a carrier that provides that kind of connection. For example, I can connect my LG phone in my computer and use a dial-up program provided by LG to perform a connection in TIM, my carrier. So, my internet connection is about 40 kbps. You will have a slow connection, but you cannot adjust its speed only with that.
If you use a browser to simulate that, you can use Firefox Throttle, Internet Explorer Throttle or Fiddler.
I would check out Charles Proxy. It has bandwidth throttling and is cross-platform with a very clean interface.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.